Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain a chapter from your language textbook, that is noun number. So what is noun number? You must have heard that in English there are two numbers, that is singular and plural. So here are the definition of singular and plural. What is singular? A noun is said to be singular if it refers to one person or thing. For example, bird, toy, pencil, etc. Let's take an example. Sana is enjoying the picnic. So here Sana is a singular noun. And remember one thing, when the noun is singular, then your helping verb will also be singular. Here Sana is singular and helping verb is, so it will be also in singular form. Sana is enjoying the picnic. Now what is the definition of plural noun? Plural noun refers to more than one person or thing. And the basic thing we all know that when we want to change a singular into plural noun, then as a suffix we add s, like birds, toys, pencils, windows, etc. You can see the example. The students are enjoying the picnic. Here the students are the plural, and when the noun is plural, so you can see your helping verb, that is are, it will be also in plural form. So this thing you should remember. Here are the in this picture you can see some of the example, like a man. If he is singular, so we'll write man. To change a man into plural form, we add men. We write men, men. Women got changed women. Tooth, teeth. So child, children, and so on. Next comes your 6 plural nouns. So we'll study the rules how to change a singular noun into plural noun. The first one is the basic thing what we normally do to change a singular into plural noun. We normally add s as a suffix to the root word. For example, here you can see bottle. Bottle is singular noun. To change it into plural form, we add s as a suffix. Same thing for cup. Cup is singular and plural form of cup is cups. We add s as a suffix. Pencil, pencils, and so on. Next rule is when the word ends with ch, x, or s, then to change that word into plural form, we add es as a suffix. You can see the example box. Box is singular. So here box end with a letter x, and when we change it into plural form, we'll add es to it. Watch. Watch end with a letter h, and the plural form becomes watches. Es we have added. Moss. It ends with a letter s, and as per the rule, if s is there, to change it into plural form, we'll add es as a suffix and it become mosses. Same thing for bus, it become buses. Third rule, if the word or you can say the noun end with f or fe, then we normally add es as a suffix. For example, wolf. It ends with a letter f. So here we'll add ves, wolves. Wife. It ends with fe. So we'll add wives. wives, wives. Leaf. It ends with a letter f. To make it plural, we add es as a suffix. Life. It becomes lives, lives. So here in short we can say if a noun ends with f or fe, we add ves to it. Come to the fourth rule. What does the fourth rule says? That if the noun ends with a letter y, then we add ies to it, or we add s, like baby. It ends with y, and so to change it into plural form, we'll add ies. Toy, we'll add s. So here you may ask a question that in baby it ends with a letter Y, and toy also end with a letter Y, but in baby I have added suffix IES but not in toy. The reason behind this is toy, the last letter is Y. Just a letter before it we can see O, and it is a vowel. When it has a vowel sound, so we add S, and it is a if it is a consonant like in baby, before Y we have B, so we'll add IES. Next come kidney. Kidney, it ends with Y, so we'll add S to it. Potato. So here you can see three examples: potato, memo, and stereo. So here these three words end with a letter O, and when it end with a letter O, we normally add ES as a suffix. There is one exception, and that is photo. Photo ends with O, but we don't add ES over there, we add only single S to make it plural. Next, fifth rule is your some nouns have different plural form. So here we don't add S or ES or VES as a suffix to make a singular noun into plural. Like example, child. Child is singular, but to make it plural we have not added S over here. It will be changed into children. Woman, MAN, it will get changed into MEN and it will become plural. Man, it become men as a plural form. Mouse, the plural form of mouse will become mice. Goose becomes geese. So these are the few words which, to change these words into plural form, we never add S. Next one, the sixth one is a few nouns have same singular and plural form. That means these are the such nouns, it will have a same plural as well as same singular form. That means no change. That is sheep. Say for singular also we'll say sheep, and for plural also we'll say sheep. Deer, series, species. It will not change in plural form, it will remain the same. Here comes rules regarding the formation of plural. Here are some other rules. That is, number one, abstract noun. Abstract noun, you all know, name of a feeling, emotions. So abstract noun are countable and it have no plural form, like love, anger, beauty. So it will not have any plural form. Next comes names of a materials or substance. In short, we can say material noun. All the material noun are not countable, like copper, iron, wood, stone, paper, gold, and so on. So they are used only in singular form. That means if we cannot change it into a plural form, it will remain the same. Next, figures and letters are changed to plural form by adding apostrophe S. For example, 4 is given. It is plural. Once we add apostrophe S, it becomes force. So then we'll say it that it is a plural form. The last one is, if a noun consists of several words, or we can say compound noun, then S is added to the main word. Now here you can see compound word. Here, son-in-law. It is a mixture of three words. To change it into plural form, the main word, or you can say the root word, that is son. Son-in-law, the main word is son. To make it plural, we'll add S with a main word, that is son. So it will become sons-in-law. Next example, passerby. The main word is passer. To change it into plural form, we'll add S as a suffix. Stepmother. The main word is mother. So we'll add S to make it plural. So it will become stepmothers. Another example, commander-in-chief. So here the main word is commander. To make it plural, we'll add S. Same thing for maid servant also. Here servant is the main word, so we'll add S as a suffix. Thank you.